Enchiladas de Suelo translates to enchiladas from the floor. I had never heard about the enchiladas de suelo until I went to Sinaloa. To begin with, you have to make the enchiladas de suelo sauce. 5 ancho chiles that I already stemmed, a very ripe Roma tomato, a garlic clove. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna fry my chorizo. So we have my blender here, a tablespoon of white distilled vinegar, a tablespoon of chopped white onion, a teaspoon of dried oregano, salt, a little pepper, the tomato, the 5 ancho chiles, the garlic clove, a cup from the cooking water, and now we're going to puree these until completely smooth. Oh, and it smells so nice. We grab a corn tortilla, and instead of heating the tortilla first, you soak it in the sauce, and then passing them through really hot oil. One of the crazy things about this enchilada is not only the way it's built, but how many vegetables it has. We're adding lettuce, blanched zucchini, cucumbers, tomato, and avocado. Chorizo de queso fresco.